How often should I exercise? How long should my PCOS workouts be? Is there a best time to exercise? If you've ever asked yourself those questions, keep watching as I'll be answering them in this video. Hi, my name is Pavlu and I'm a certified personal trainer, and in this video I'll be answering those frequently asked questions that we all have asked ourselves when we've just been getting started with exercise, or if you've been doing a certain exercise routine or program, just wondering, what am I doing wrong? I'm eating great, I'm exercising regularly, why am I not losing weight? Why am I experiencing these symptoms? Why isn't my period back? Why am I so tired? All of those kind of questions and why I'm experiencing these symptoms will all make sense if you stay. So let's start off with the biggest question is, how often should I be exercising? Somewhere between 3 and 5 times a week. It really depends on your current state, your current health status, and we often think, we see, the more you exercise, the better. So, 6 days a week or every day. Don't take rest days. You don't need rest days if you feel fine. No, that's not true. Here's why I recommend somewhere between 3 to 5 times a week, especially if we're looking to heal. The reason is, but exercise is a stress. Whether you argue it's a good stress, that's how muscle grows, etc., etc., I will still argue stress is a stress, okay? And if you are in that chronically stressed state, you're running on stress hormones, we all know when we are, but just adding an extra stressor of exercise, which can be super powerful when used correctly, can be super powerful in your healing journey. But if you're going every single day, 7 days a week, 6 days a week, for months on end without taking a rest day and not taking that stress off your body, you're not allowing that inflammation to remain acute and to be to kind of disappear. Because when we exercise, we create acute inflammation. That's how the body kind of heals from the stress put upon it. But when we don't take that stress off the body and we keep going at it, that acute inflammation, which is short term, it will go, becomes chronic inflammation. This is pretty much the long term, doesn't go. And research shows most women with PCOS suffer from chronic inflammation. You have to realize that it's important to take that stress off. I know a lot of people will say, I can exercise this day, this many times a week, and I feel fine. Again, we have to realize, like, hormonal issues, sickness, your thyroid being impacted, and all this stuff takes time. You're not going to notice it in a month or two. This could take years. So understand this first so you can prevent it. And if you are in that state now, realize you could be eating perfectly, you could be doing everything right, but then there's this exercise component that is wreaking havoc and not helping you heal. So take a step back, zoom out, and be honest with yourself. Is it because you're over-exercising? Is it because you're not taking time to rest, to recover, to allow your body to heal? Take that stress off. It's okay. Most of my clients realize when they take a step back, take their foot off the gas, that they end up losing the weight. They feel, less bloated. They don't feel tired. So don't be so, if I don't exercise, X and Y, Z is going to happen. No, it's not the way to think about it. If you're having to exercise and burn X amount of calories, for example, to sustain this weight that you're at, your ideal weight that you're striving for and you've achieved, and you're having to, do all this exercise to achieve it, that's not maintainable and that's not a life to live. The second question I frequently get asked is, my answer to that question is between 30 to 45 minutes. Now I know what you're thinking, 30 to 45 minutes? I thought it should have been at least an hour. Well, here's my reasoning behind why I suggest 30 to 45 minutes. When the heart gets pumping during exercise, the body burns glucose in the bloodstream for energy. Now this supply only lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. After that, your body needs to find a replacement to keep energy levels up. After about an hour of exercise, cortisol levels will rise and stay elevated until you have finished your workout. But cortisol is very catabolic, so when glycogen stores are empty, it turns to stored fat and breaks down muscle, tissue, connective tissue and organs for glucose. Exercise lowers thyroid hormone, partly by accelerating their breakdown. See, cortisol produced by stress inhibits the thyroid gland. Now, a low thyroid means less oxygen is needed, so this is a great adaptation for endurance runners. So this is why you see endurance runners and marathon runners, run for so long. It's because their thyroid is pretty much suppressed because it's adapted. As a result of the metabolic needs of the body increasing, the thyroid slows down. And many metabolic processes like digestion, the immune system, and hormones also slow down because of this in order to conserve energy. But this isn't to say that your cardio workouts that are longer than 30 minutes won't help you lose weight, since you'll be burning more fat as fuel as energy. The problem is that you'll also be losing muscle. So here's the kicker, here's the thing that I want you to take home, is as you lose muscle, your kind of basal metabolic rate, or BMR, also decreases, because as you may know, the more muscle you have, the faster, the more calories you burn at rest, because muscle is more metabolically active than fat, so you burn more calories, more fat, while pretty much at rest when you have more muscle. So now, while you may be burning more calories during your cardio workouts, or running for 60 minutes, when you're not exercising, when you're just sitting here pretty much, you're going to be burning fewer calories when you're not exercising, which as a result means you are burning less calories in any given day. And the final question I want to answer in this video is there a best time to exercise? Now, scrolling through Google on the internet, you've probably come across that the answer saying, no, just exercise whenever you want, whenever you have the energy, just get it done essentially. My answer to this is, drum roll please, the best time to exercise if you're looking to hit on balance your hormones is, is morning to afternoon, between morning and afternoon, midday. So I recommend between morning and afternoon because our body temperature is higher, our pulse rate is higher, and light improves the metabolic rate. And during this time, we are more resilient to stress. If you are going to exercise longer than 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, you're going to go for that 60-minute time period, I would recommend you have an intra-workout snack, and that intra-workout snack can be orange juice with some gelatin and some salt to keep you going. The orange juice is packed with magnesium and potassium. Magnesium can really help with the stress levels as well, because when we are stressed, magnesium is pretty much the first mineral that gets depleted. So orange juice can be a great intra-workout snack to just sip on during a workout. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that it helped. I hope I answered your questions, and I hope now that you've your kind of worries or concerns surrounding exercise and how you should exercise and the best way to exercise and best time and etc. has been addressed, and now you can exercise in a way that's supportive of your metabolism, your thyroid, your hormones, to feel so much better in your day-to-day life, and even when you exercise, to have that energy to do your workout and to see the results that you want to see. If you have any questions, add them in the comment section and I will answer them. I'll happily answer them. And share the video and subscribe for plenty more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.